So guys, I have finished renaming the bonds, and just let's unhide the reference curve group, shift H to unhide it, and it's, I think, the finger joints are really away. So what we can do is we can just select this. Let's go to control vertex. Let's put a mask on both mesh and okay, let's go to a component mode and let's select all of these guys and let's hit W and let's bring them a little bit further. Okay, it's looking nice. Let's go to object mode and let's unmask the joint and let's create a joint for fingers. And I think press V on your keyboard. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go to display, animation display, joint size. Let's make it 0.8. okay, so it's going to give us a good visual representation so for the fingers. So let's create another joint for index. Enter. Let's enter. Let's hit G on your keyboard and let's again create some finger joint and let's hit G again. Let's finish this. G 2, 3, 4. okay, so what we have got is our finger built in. Let's select its hider HI and let's see it's I think it's properly created. Okay, let's go and display local rotation axis, Y facing upward and G facing downward. So what we need is it's okay. Okay, and it's Y, in Y it's going backward and in minus G it's going inside and in plus G it's going outside. What we need is in minus G it have to go outside and in plus G it need to go inside. So let's select the joint. Let's go to component mode, select them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go to the previous. Okay, I'm not getting it. There is a little bit problem, so let's okay undo it. Now we are going to get the script. Go to script editor where you can find the command and go to select the last script and go to control V and hit 180 and okay, it's working properly. So let's do it for all of the joints. Okay, so okay, most important thing is for the thumb. Let's hit first, let's make it down towards 180, then we really need to place it in a proper way. So okay, what we're going to need this time is the mesh. Always see at the nail and try to adjust it according to the nail because it's not going to, it's going to move according to the nail. So I think this one is the perfect because let's go to component mode and let's okay, let's put it okay, we don't need it. Okay, so let's go and hit select as I have created a self up here for select hider and let's okay, in minus C and plus C I think it's a proper rotation because thumb is not always going to move in this curvature. So I think it's going to work properly. So I'm going to set up all the LRAs and rename it. So I'm going to show you the way I rename it. Let's copy this hip 1 and control P. We are going to call it Pinky, PINKY Pinky 01JJ So while I'm going to rename it, and you guys go and need to set up all these joints LRA according to this one. So while we move the G, it's all going to move downwards. In minus plus G, it's going to move downwards like this, and like in minus G upwards. So go and set up the LRA and rename the joints. I'll be back in the next tutorials because I don't want to make it so lengthy.